from the Western media. I remember reading it hundreds of times. Russia's decline and China's ascendancy. And the Western media could not understand that China's ascendancy is not a threat to anyone. If you are friends with China, you will be ascendant too. You can profit from China's ascendancy. It's not going to be a danger to you. It's a benefit. So Russia took that path, viewing relationship with China as a benefit, not as a danger. And now we are reaping the fruit of this attitude. It's a much more even, it's a much more productive relationship. There is no colony metropolis balances here or imbalances. We see the imbalances in European trade with Africa, in European trade with Asia, in America's trade with other countries. There are imbalances everywhere. And between Russia and China, we see a balance.